Wheat farming secrets for highest profits. Number 3. Crop rotation for soil health and pest management. These are sustainable techniques that increase yields by 45% while cutting costs by 40%. The biological and economic benefits of rotation. Crop rotation, systematically alternating wheat with other crops in plant sequences, represents one of the most powerful yet underutilized tools available to wheat farmers for simultaneously increasing yields, reducing costs, managing pests and diseases, building soil health, and diversifying income sources, creating financial resilience. Monoculture wheat. Growing wheat on the same land year after year seems simple and logical because you specialize in wheat production. Equipment needs are consistent, markets are known, and management is routine. But continuous wheat creates multiple compounding problems. It allows wheat-specific pests, including Hessian fly, wheat stem sore fly, rot diseases, foliar diseases, and weeds, particularly grass weeds that thrive in wheat, to build up populations year after year, requiring escalating pesticide applications and costs. It depletes specific soil nutrients that wheat demands heavily, while leaving other nutrients unused, creating imbalanced fertility. It creates allelopathic effects where wheat residue chemicals suppress subsequent wheat growth. It provides no biological nitrogen fixation, forcing total dependence on expensive synthetic nitrogen, and it eliminates opportunities for diversifying income. The cumulative effect is stagnant or declining yields, escalating input costs, increasing pest problems, and creates greater financial vulnerability to wheat price fluctuations. Farmers literally trapped in wheat monoculture often struggle financially while those rotating prosper. The benefits of even simple rotations are immediate and substantial. Pest and disease interruption. Because most wheat pests and diseases require wheat as hosts and die out or decline dramatically during non-wheat years in rotation, often reducing pesticide costs by 40 to 70% compared to monoculture. Weed management enhancement. Because rotating to crops with different life cycles, competitive characteristics, and herbicide options, for example, broadleaf crops, allowing grass weeds control with different herbicides or herbicide chemicals unavailable in wheat, breaks wheat resistance cycle and reduces over herbicide costs by between 20 to 50%. Soil nitrogen enrichment through legume cropped, lentil, chickpea, field pea, fava bean that fix between 60 to 150 kilogram nitrogen per hectare, providing nitrogen for following wheat crop, reducing fertilizer nitrogen requirements by 40 to 70% in year following legumes. Improved soil structure through different rooting patterns, accessing nutrients and breaking compaction at different depths. For example, deep-rooted crops like alfalfa or canola breaking hard pan or hard pan layers and scavenging deep nutrients, bringing them to the surface. Income diversification, spreading market risk across multiple commodities, reducing vulnerability to wheat price fluctuations. Let's look at implementing effective rotation strategies. Design rotation balancing or design rotations balancing agronomic benefits with economic realities and farm capabilities. Simple 2-year rotations, that is alternating wheat with one other crop, provide substantial benefits with minimal complexity. Wheat legume, that is wheat lentil, wheat chickpea, or wheat field pea, offers nitrogen fixation, reducing fertilizer costs, pest interruption, and diversified income from legume sales. Legumes following wheat often yields between 20 to 30% better than continuous legume due to nitrogen residue and pest reduction, while wheat following legumes yields between 15 to 25% better than continuous wheat due to nitrogen contribution and pest interruption from the legume. A win-win relationship. Therefore, implementation is straightforward. Divide land into 2 fields. Plant field A to wheat and field B to legume in year 1. Then switch year 2 with field A to legume and field B to wheat. Wheat oil seed, wheat canola, wheat sunflower interrupts pests while providing high-value cash crop diversification, though nitrogen contributions are minimal, requiring continued fertilizer use. Between 3 to 4 year rotations, incorporating multiple crop types, maximize benefits. Wheat canola legume provide pest diversity, nitrogen fixation, and 3 different income sources. Wheat legume wheat fallow allows 2 wheat crops, capturing premium wheat prices while including nitrogen-fixing legume and moisture-accumulating fallow. Longer rotations require more complex management and marketing across multiple crops, but provide proportionally greater pest suppression, soil health building, and risk diversification. Let's look at cover crops and green manure. In rotations, including fallow periods, replace bare fallow, which provides no income, wastes moisture through evaporation, invites erosion, and builds no fertility, with cover crops or green manure crops that protect soil, fix nitrogen, suppress weeds, and potentially provide forage value. Plant legume cover crops, field pea, hairy vetch, basim clover immediately after wheat harvest, allowing 60 to 90 days growth, accumulating biomass and fixing between 40 to 80 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare. Then terminate by rolling, crimping, or light tillage between 3 to 4 weeks before next wheat planting, leaving residues as mulch that suppresses weeds while releasing nitrogen. The cover crops cost approximately between $30 to $50 per hectare for seed, but provides nitrogen worth between $60 to $100. Erosion prevention worth between $30 to $60 in prevented topsoil loss. Weed suppression worth between $20 to $40 in reduced herbicide needs, and soil health building worth between $40 to $80 in long-term productivity improvement. Total value of between $150 to $250 for the $30 to $50 investment plus modest management time. Wheat farming secrets for highest profit. Number 4. Click the link on the notification below and watch this inspiring secret. Thank you.